Hello beautiful people from here, from there and from everywhere. This is LezAma. Hola, ¿qué tal gente bonita de aquí, de allá y de acullá? Aquí LezAma. I have a little project that I finally able to do it because various circumstances. But anyway, I am very happy and very pleased to be here, and thank you very much for those who have subscribed to my channel. I appreciate that, and my apologies again if I don't keep uploading many videos as I would love to. But please subscribe if possible, or those who are subscribed, thank you, and please stay keep looking, and I hope I will be able sometime upload more videos for you, and let me know if you have any comments about it. Muchísimas gracias por aquellas personas que se han inscrito o suscrito en mi canal, que es LezAma-Artes. Se los agradezco infinitamente desde el fondo de mi corazón, y bueno, agradezco que estén ahí a pesar de que no he estado subiendo muchos videos últimamente por circunstancias varias. Y bueno, algunas personas se han ido, pues sí que me duele su partida, porque pues es bonito ver de alguna manera que hasta ahorita tengo 153, hasta ayer tenía 154, y hoy que vi, pues ya una persona tomó la decisión de dejar mi canal. Ojalá que con esto a lo mejor nuevamente esté interesado o interesada. Y bueno, ya haciendo ese comentario, nuevamente intentaré pues subir un poco más de videos. Retomando nuestro proyecto. Este proyecto que ustedes están viendo, pues son pequeños paperclips o pequeños clips, y me refiero a los de Tim Holtz, que son estos, que bueno, me encantan, y en esta ocasión he decidido hacer unos adornos con ellos, and I really like them very much, so this time decided to create some embellishments with them. What kind of paper as I using as my substrate is this one. I found this one in a thrift store place. It's weekly time cards, and they are quite nice. So what I do, I cut this one first. It's quite easy because I can grab the concept of it. So what I do, I just cut up to here, up to what is the name, and then from there I will go like a 6 6 6 6 6, something like that. So will be the next one, which is this one, and then will be this one, and so on. Okay, once is that, I like to cut it in half, and then I do just fold it in half again, and I usually put the small part in here, and the long one from that side. Generalmente pongo la parte más pequeña por la parte de adentro y la parte más grande de el clip hacia afuera y entonces ya le coloco el pegamento, lo cerramos y dejamos que seque. Then we close and we'll let it to dry. Okay, so while it's done, those I already have here some of my little teeny pieces. Aquí ya tengo algunas piezas de retacería chiquitas que tenía yo por ahí, y no corté absolutamente nada. Estos eran pedazos que me sobraron, como digo, retacería, y solo pues lo único que estoy haciendo es juntar los 3 piezas para hacerlo más práctico. And I did not cut any of them. What I just did is just put them together as the small pieces the way they are, and just put it on the top of the paper clip. And I have here my little brads. So in this case, let's go and put maybe the white one, which will be good. And let me see if we can manage something, because with this I would like to, and then I decide whether I put it on the left side or on the right side. To me is that the next decision that I have to make. So in this case, I think I'm going to put it on this side. And I use my puncher, my leather puncher. I just make sure that I have to be in the proper place and not doing somewhere else, you know what I mean? Instead of doing it outside or something like that. Entonces lo único que hago es utilizar mi troqueladora y le hago el agujerito conveniente, y con esta herramienta lo que hago es doblarla y abrir las pincitas para poder colocar ¿cómo se llama esto? Brad in English, in Spanish. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot about it. But anyway, you know what I mean. Pero bueno, en fin, ustedes ya saben a lo que me refiero. Y ya tenemos esta. Así que intentaremos terminar las otras. Bueno, aquí la ponemos. Y bueno, ahora intentaremos terminar estas que aquí estamos viendo. Y le pongo aquí. Y ahora vamos a hacerlo hacia este lado nuevamente y hacia acá. Perfecto. So we have the pieces together, align it, and we just made the little hole, hoping it stays where it's supposed to be and not too much outside. And then I grab my little brads. In this case, I think I would like to have maybe this little teeny flower, which looks kind of pretty, and just doing the pressing to keep it attached, y ya nada más presionar para mantenerlo seguro en esto. Entonces aquí tenemos, y vamos ahora con esta otra. Ok. So we have here, we have this one. I chose this one instead of the other one. So, okay, and maybe there. And let's go. Made a perforation. And let's put a little thread. Okay, now I think I lost the, it's here or here? Yeah, there. For a moment I thought I had lost. You know what? I think it went to, I think I'd rather have the pink one instead of the red one. So let's go do that. Okay. Come on, little one. Yes, it's there. And now we're just going to do our same process. Una vez que hayamos puesto nuevamente este brad, nuevamente lo abrimos para que quede colocado. Okay, I think that's it. I'm happy and content with that. Entonces, como ustedes pueden observar, en realidad me llevó un poco más del tiempo planeado para hacer esta. Pero bueno, lo importante es que se logre el objetivo y la meta. Ya del tiempo, así es esto. Siempre cuando se trata de crear, el tiempo a veces es más del planeado. Y concluimos con este proyecto. So you can see here them. And that's it. I think we have concluded the project for today. Till next time, y les ama.